The Bitcoin price had a healthy correction yesterday to the downside, but today we have to talk about two really important indicators. They have flashed a buy signal that has never been wrong in Bitcoin history. So that is definitely something that we need to talk about today. So, and if you think that's interesting, then definitely like this video, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. And now let's get here directly into today's content, guys. So, and the first indicator that I want to talk about here is on the BLX chart. So on Bitcoin chart here. So, and we have here this logarithmic growth curve for the Bitcoin price, that the Bitcoin price did here respect this channel with the resistance up there and the support up there. Every time when we came here close to the support, we always bounce back up. So, and here at the last top, we actually failed to touch the resistance. So, but we came pretty close, and now we are again at the support, but we are already moving away from the support with the price. We can see that right now. So, but the most important thing that we have here to talk about is actually the RSI. So the RSI is down here. So, and here you can see every time when we came to a bottom, the RSI was starting to cross over this line, over this white line here. So here we create a bottom, RSI comes under this line, comes above the line, and up we go with the price. So, and now we see the same thing happening. So with this weekly close, by the end of this week, if the price stays more or less the same or will be even higher, we will have again a close for the RSI above that key support and resistance flip line. So, and that will then of course give us also a nice move here for the Bitcoin price to the upside if we close above that resistance support line for the RSI on the weekly chart. Another buy indicator has flashed here, and that is the hash ribbons. So every time when we get a buy on these hash ribbons, that was normally also the bottom for the Bitcoin price. So here you can see that. So we can never again as low as this price here, close to $10,000, and afterwards only up. So, and the same also here. Here we got a buy signal. Actually, I have to extend this a little bit here more to the upside. So we got this actually in this candle. So we got here a buy signal, and then for a long time we went to the upside before we actually came then down into these prices again. So, and yeah, so, and now we are again close to get a buy signal. So the capitulation is over here for the miners. So, and usually when the capitulation happens for the miners, the hash rate is dropping, and with that drop also the price goes along. So this capitulation is now really imminent over. So in the next 2 weeks we should get here these green dots, these darker green dots, and then also in 2 to 4 weeks a new buy signal, and that will then be the final nail in the coffin for the bears, because once we get this, we will see massive upside here for Bitcoin to potentially 32,000, 33,000 in that area here. In my opinion, when the buy signal is flashing, we will be around these levels. So now let's also have a look into the price action in the short term, because there is where we make most of our money. So here on the 30 minutes chart, so we can clearly see that we are forming here a potential W pattern, which is a reversal pattern and a bottoming pattern, and it should indicate that we should be reversing back to the upside in the immediate short term. So if you want to trade this, so then you take this from the neckline all the way down here to the lowest point, and then put this to the potential breakout. So there you go. So this should go up all the way to the resistance here again of that resistance area where we are basically broken down from to create now this W. So so it makes a lot of sense here when I look at the confluence here in the chart, because when we broke down out of it, also here when we were running into this resistance, we broke down, came back up, stayed for a while in it, for quite a while. Now we are slightly breaking down out of it again, but forming this W reversal pattern, and then we should break back in and then potentially also break out of this resistance area into higher prices. So guys, and if you want to trade this, don't forget you still can claim on Bybit $4,450 in bonuses with my specific link here, guys. Only with that link you will be able to get this bonus. So, and also on BitGet, $8,000 in free bonuses with 15% discount on your trading fees. Also only with my specific link you will be able to claim that bonus. These bonuses are running out. I know the end date already, so it's really close. So definitely take advantage of that as long as these bonuses are lasting for you guys. So now let's go back here to the daily chart. So here on the daily chart, we are still forming here this rising wedge, so the smaller rising wedge. So and if you take here into account only the wicks, you can see here how perfectly the price action is respecting the resistance here. So and here I definitely want to see also a break out of the resistance. So first from that horizontal level and then out of the rising wedge, so that we get confirmation that Bitcoin is definitely out of this major downtrend that started all the way up here. So, but like I said, so from what I see right now, over the next couple days and weeks, we should definitely be here in for some upside. We have here incredibly accurate signals flashing, historically signals flashing, that we should be going up here to the upside. So, and you also know the levels to watch also here for this 30 minutes pattern. If you want to trade this, I gonna trade this myself. So if we break $24,300, that is the level to watch, and then all the way up to that resistance at $24,700. So, and if we measure this, that will give us on 25x leverage around 40%. So which is not bad, because it could be a really quick move all the way up to this resistance area. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So if you did, let me know in the comments if you're also gonna take that trade with me together, this W pattern. And if you do, let me also know later how much profit you made on this. So I am really curious to know about that. And something else that I wanted to point out, guys, if you don't follow me yet on Twitter, it would be amazing if you can go to @AMCryptoAlex and actually follow me on Twitter. I'm really close to 8,500 followers. Let's try to get that today with your help. That would be amazing and making my day. And yeah, other than that, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.